Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and delete your eHarmony account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video. So if you simply want to delete your account, what you're going to do is simply go to your mobile's phone browser. As you can see, you can simply go ahead, tap on the search bar eHarmony.com. You will simply be able to land on this kind of interface. So if you're not logged in, simply go ahead and get logged in with your information of your account. So for me, I'm already logged in right here. So once you're logged in, tap on this three horizontal line on your top left corner right there, tap on it, tap on this option called data and settings, and you will scroll down, and then you will simply be able to find this option called profile visibility, where you can see if you read this, to delete your profile permanently, please click here option. So since you want to delete your account, simply go ahead, tap on this here option given, and then you will simply be able to get this kind of interface. Simply go ahead, add in your password, and then you will simply tap on delete a profile option right there, tap on it. You can see profile deleted. You have now deleted profile. All contacts, matches, and all the data have been removed. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.